Hello, this video is an introduction to my mind mapping magnets, which are basically little bits of whiteboard on magnets so that you can stick them to a bigger whiteboard or anything else magnetic, then rearrange, link them as desired. It's also a lot of strings with magnets on the ends for linking these ideas you're writing down, arrows for showing how they link, and various other symbols for showing which ones are the most important or which are questionable, etc. Just a quick example of how this might be used. I have an exam coming up. So I want to try and get down everything that I need to be done before attending this. Right, so the first thing, note down obviously, attend the exam. I'm just going to put these different things that need doing up on the board for now as they come to mind, rearrange them afterwards. Obviously need to revise. So one benefit of this is that I'm writing on a flat surface, so I'm writing neater than I would do if I was writing up against a whiteboard, because I've not got much practice at that. Not that it's going to help my spelling, but I don't think anything is going to. I have a mock exam that I can do. I will need to book my train to get to the venue. I may need to book accommodation if I can't book a train that gets me there in the morning. I need to stay overnight beforehand. And it's an open book exam, so I'm going to annotate my book with various notes and directions to relevant sections beforehand. Okay, I think those are all the things that are needed. I already have a bit of positivity already provided by someone else, so I'm not going to add anything else to my pile of things to do. And now it's going to arrange them as appropriate. So I'll have to revise before I attend. I'll also revise before I do the mock exam. So this revision is going to be linked to the mock exam and point towards it. Now if I fail with a mock exam, I'll go back and do more revision, so I'll also put an arrow pointing the other direction. Then, all being well, the mock exam will be done before attending. If you end up with dangly things like this, you just need to chisel the magnets on the end round and you'll get a nice straight line. Then you can put an arrow on. I also obviously need to book the train before I attend. Oh, well, I could not and end up paying a ridiculous price, but best to do so beforehand. And in booking the train, I may find out that I need to travel up the day before and stay somewhere. So this one will lead to book B&B. So the same magnets that are keeping these little bits of whiteboard on the bigger whiteboard also allows you to connect the ends of the magnetic strings on, or you can just put the strings wherever on the magnetic surface itself. So finally, the annotation, that's going to happen as I'm revising. So not particularly one leading to the other. The annotation will be a bit of a revising, and the revising will help the annotation. So there you have it. I've gone in a couple of minutes from this big pile of things that I was building up in my head as a big amount of stress to a few things that have got a plan of action and cleared up a lot of headspace and feeling a lot better about the whole thing. Let me know if you think this is a useful tool and what you think it might be useful for. Great, thank you for watching.